What's up, you guys? Welcome to my channel. My name is Kiara, but I go by Keeks. Keeks on a V, Keeks the cheeks, Kiwi. Whichever one is fine with me. Oh, I got a bang. I'm getting a vibe from this little hairstyle. I'm getting like, it's giving me 90s. I feel like I'm a 90s R&B. I need to go find my black glasses, throw me a leather jacket, and get some real good quality pictures for y'all because she's definitely giving a vibe. What vibe? I really don't know. She got multiple. This hair is from a friend of mine. I will leave all of her information down in the description box below. Yeah, we're just gonna get into the video. So far this hair, it gets pretty bone straight. I don't really have too much shedding or anything like that either. The most shedding I got from this hair was when I first bleached it and washed it. But it's super soft and it's bone straight. That's always a good thing with Bodywave hair. You need some hair that's versatile. So I'm sure if I wet it again, it'll go back to its natural pattern. But I'm just about to start swooping this bang. And then I'm gonna come back with my final remarks and wrap up the video. So this is actually cuter than what I thought it was gonna be. Like, I'm really feeling this shade of brown on my complexion. This hair is from a friend of mine. Her name is Armani Walker on Facebook. She is starting her hair business, so make sure you guys follow her. I'll leave all of her information in the description box below. I got a 20-inch closure, 22, 24, 26-inch bundles. I did not put all the bundles in here, and the bundles were also Bodywave. Let me see if I can. 26-inch bundles from her, and then I constructed this wig, and I also bleached it using 30 volume developer. This is like a level, I want to say like 5, like level 4 or 5. Giving off very chocolatey brown vibes. If you do want the hair to reach like a level like 8, 9, then you probably have to go in and bleach it again, and probably with a higher developer. This hairstyle is super cute. Swoop bang, shorty, I look good. I'm kind of feeling this a little bit. Like, it's cute. I would say though, this will look better on a frontal. As you guys can see over here, like, I don't really have no edges right now. It looks like I don't have no edges. I probably have to make one right here, and that one's gonna be black. So I feel like this hair will look way better with a frontal, but at the same time, you can achieve it with the closure. As you guys can see, just make sure you make you some baby hairs, leave your actual baby hairs out, whichever one works for you. You don't have to leave baby hairs at all, but that's just my preference. Let me stand up so you guys can see how long, because the 26 inches. And it looks super thin because I literally don't even have like a full bundle of hair in here. And that's just because I reconstructed this wig, and I had already bleached this already, so I didn't want to like go back in and bleach the rest of the hair. But it still looks good. It looks very natural too. So yeah, that's all I have. If you guys like this video, make sure you hit the thumbs up button. Let me know what you guys think about this hairstyle, this color, all of it. Subscribe to my channel and turn on post notifications. I will be posting every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, followed by a weekly vlog on Sunday. Make sure you guys are tuned into my channel, and also follow me on my social media platforms. I always leave that at the end of this video. And yeah, stay blessed, stay safe, stay healthy, make someone's day, be the light in someone's world. And as always, I hope to see you guys in my next one. Bye.
I got this new drip they been waiting for. Shit wanna fuck taking pennies up. Just bought a new whip and it's paid for. I just been working out, taking the days off. I got this new drip, my diamonds be too lit. Just hop in this 2-seat, my life is a movie.